When it comes to upgrading or building your home in Loves Park, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right windows. Windows are essential for providing natural light, ensuring ventilation, and enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. However, with so many different styles, materials, and features to choose from, selecting the right windows can feel like a daunting task. Whether you're looking to replace old windows, build a new home, or simply improve your home's energy efficiency, there are a number of factors to consider when choosing the best windows for your Loves Park home. In this article, we'll guide you through the process of selecting windows that align with your needs, budget, and home style. Consider your home's style and architecture. The first step in choosing the right windows is considering your home's architectural style. The type of windows you select should complement the overall design of your home to maintain its aesthetic harmony. Traditional homes. For classic homes in Loves Park, double-hung windows are a timeless choice. These windows have two movable sashes that slide up and down, providing both functionality and charm. They work well with more traditional, symmetrical home designs, like colonial or Victorian-style houses. Modern homes. If you own a contemporary or modern home, casement windows and picture windows are great options. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward, offering a clean, minimalist look with the advantage of better ventilation. Picture windows are perfect for creating a sleek, open space with unobstructed views, as they allow natural light to flood in without the distraction of mullions or frames. Craftsman or bungalow homes. Casement windows or awning windows work well with craftsman-style homes due to their clean lines and functionality. These windows enhance the overall character of bungalow-style homes, which emphasize horizontal design and a connection to the outdoors. Ranch-style homes. For ranch-style homes, slider windows or single-hung windows can be ideal, as they fit the horizontal and functional lines of the home while allowing easy ventilation. Selecting windows that complement your home's architectural style will ensure that your windows enhance the beauty and flow of your living space. Evaluate energy efficiency features in Loves Park. Where winters can be cold and summers can be warm, energy-efficient windows are a must-have. Not only will energy-efficient windows reduce your energy bills, but they'll also increase your home's comfort by improving insulation and preventing air leaks. Double or triple pane windows. Opt for double or triple pane windows, which have multiple layers of glass with insulating air or gas trapped between them. This helps to reduce heat transfer and prevent drafts, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Low E glass. Low emissivity, low E glass is coated with a special layer that helps reflect heat while letting in natural light. In the summer, it keeps your home cool by blocking the sun's heat, and in the winter, it helps to retain warmth. Gas-filled windows. Many energy-efficient windows are filled with argon or krypton gas. These gases act as additional insulation, reducing heat transfer and helping to keep your home more energy efficient. Window frames. The material of the window frame is just as important for energy efficiency. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are excellent for insulation, while wood frames offer natural beauty but may require more maintenance over time. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy lower energy costs and a more comfortable living environment. Think about functionality and ventilation. Every room in your home may require different levels of ventilation, and your choice of windows should match these needs. The functionality of your windows is just as important as their appearance. Living rooms and dining rooms. For these spaces, large picture windows or bay windows can be ideal. These windows offer expansive views and allow natural light to flood the room, creating an open, airy feel. If you need ventilation, you might opt for casement windows that open outward. Bedrooms. Double-hung windows or casement windows are great for bedrooms. These window types allow for easy ventilation and help improve airflow in areas where fresh air is important. If privacy is a concern, you might also consider awning windows that open from the top, allowing you to let in fresh air while maintaining privacy. Bathrooms. Since bathrooms tend to have high humidity, awning windows or slider windows are excellent choices. These windows provide ventilation without sacrificing privacy, and they're less likely to be affected by moisture buildup. Consider durability and maintenance. Choosing a low-maintenance option is crucial for homeowners who don't want to spend much time maintaining their windows. Some window materials require more upkeep than others. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are incredibly low maintenance and durable. They resist moisture, warping, and fading, making them an excellent choice for homes in Love's Park's varying climate. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are also highly durable and energy efficient. They are resistant to extreme temperature fluctuations and require little to no maintenance over time. Wood windows. Wood windows add warmth and natural beauty to your home but require more upkeep. They need to be regularly painted or stained to prevent rotting or warping. While wood can be a great aesthetic choice, it's important to consider the time and effort required for maintenance. Budget and installation costs. Lastly, it's important to choose windows that fit your budget and installation costs. Vinyl windows tend to be more affordable and require less maintenance than wood windows, making them a popular option for homeowners looking to save on both upfront costs and future upkeep. However, if you're looking for a premium look, wooden windows or fiberglass windows might be the better choice, even though they typically come at a higher price point. Be sure to factor in both the cost of materials and the cost of installation when making your decision. Conclusion. Finding the best windows for your Love's Park home. Selecting the right windows for your Love's Park home involves balancing your aesthetic preferences, energy efficiency needs, and functionality requirements. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows, looking to match your home's architectural style, or considering the material that will best suit your needs, it's important to do thorough research and make an informed choice. By investing in the right windows, you'll enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and long-term value.